All right, this is Marcus Weisgerber and Jesse Eckert here at Gannett Government Media Headquarters in beautiful Springfield, Virginia. And today we're going to race the EADS Eurocopter X3 windup against two generic toy tanks. We're here by the bathroom, one of the only hard surfaces we've been able to find in this building. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I want to play.
We need a radio.
2,
Ready?
set, go.
Yeah!
It's coming back.
Go!
It's coming back.
Wrong way.
If you have any ideas for future races, please send us your toys and we'll be happy to put them through the paces right here at Gannett Government Media.